Hello, I'm going to run you guys through a quick demo of my observables system. So an observable exists as a script on a game object. It holds a value of the given type. For this one, an observable float. It's a float value. This one, a Boolean value. And this one, a transform value. Each observable contains an event called value changed, and it passes in the type of observable as the parameter. And so for each of these three observables, we have the observable value displayer script, call its method set, to display the current value of the observable. So as you can see, you can have a float, a Boolean, a transform, or a custom class, or virtually any other type of reference or variable of any type that, as long as it's serializable. So if we go into the UI real quick, we can see here the observable value displayer. All it has is a reference to the text object itself. Same thing for the other two. Now if we enter play mode, now because for testing purposes and it fits our needs, for each observable we have fire event on start toggled on so that the event will fire and those text objects will set themselves. Otherwise, value change will not run at the beginning of a play session. That needs to be explicitly set either through this Boolean value or elsewhere in another script, for instance. So we can see they're set. We have health at 0, is running at true, and current target is null. So if we go here and we say add 10, we can see the value is now 10. It's because we added 10, and then whenever we set that value to 10, that value changed, thus causing the text object to update. So we can do it again here. We added 1,000 to the 10. Same thing with is running. We'll just toggle it to false, toggle it to true, set to false, set to true. And then for current target, simply for testing purposes, I created the helper function to just grab any random transform from the scene and set to the transform variable. So if we just do this, you can see current target, which ironically is itself. Let's do it again. My custom class, found right here. And health. Got that one that time. And then I did not set up my custom class with the text object because it would simply return the class information as opposed to actual useful information to be displayed to the user. Yeah, so this is the beginning steps for the observables package. Please let me know any feedback or suggestions related to improve this as time goes on. Thanks.